How to adjust the teeth to make the machine work well. The fabric does not go away when starting together. Let's talk about a few usage problems of the winder today. 1. This winder is either to full or to underfilled. We can adjust the height of this springboard. The lower you go, the fuller it is. If it's to full, let's turn it up a little bit. Loosen the screw a little. If this springboard deforms badly, you can also move it. The second one, this line is uneven, more on one side and less on the other. If one side is more and the other is less, we can adjust this crossover here, left and right here. Which side transfers a little less to which side? Come here, just make it right with this. This line can be flat. Third, if this doesn't work, one should also pay attention to adding oil here at ordinary times. Also check if there is any winding stuck here. The most important thing is to look here. Contact surface with the belt. Is it tight enough? If the distance is too far, we're going to loosen this whole shelf. Forward, back, forward a little bit. Sometimes the belt is too loose. It won't be able to carry this wheel either. Fourth, what to pay attention to is this crack in this bottom line. Don't adjust it too tightly. If the adjustment is too tight, the line can be hit a lot. But this shrinking core is easy to deform. Naturally not too loose. If it is too loose, we can't hit this bottom line much. During the sewing process, many people are troubled by the incompatibility of the upper and lower lines. I have also sent a video before, but there are still many people who ask how to adjust if the upper and lower lines. Send another video today. First we smash a knife. Let's take a look at the thread agent for the sewing machine first. From the line, it is the pink line. Follow the green line at the bottom line. It is formed if the upper and lower lines are combined. If it is a treasure, you can see the downline from the eye of the needle. You can see the thread from the bottom through the eye of the needle. This is also up, offline, and if you do the after material, the connector of these two wires will break into the cloth. I can't see it up and down. If the above thread agent looks good, and here's what happens. This is what happens when the upper line is loose, opposite the bottom line. Okay, if this happens above, the wire above is tight. The line below is loose. We first need to distinguish which wire is loose and which wire is tight. After distinguishing, we will make corresponding adjustments. Just tighten it loosely and tightly. The standard for adjustment is to adjust the bottom line first. After setting the bottom line, then adjust the line according to the bottom line. The elastic adjustment of the bottom line is this big screw on the shrinkable leather. Clockwise tighten it. Counterclockwise is loose. Just adjust it to a little more force on our pulling line. After adjusting, we will adjust the line according to the bottom. The tightness of the line is to adjust this large wire adder. Screw clockwise to tighten the line. Turn it counterclockwise to loosen the line. When the upper and lower lines are pulled by two forces, same time, when the online and offline forces are the same, it closes the upper and lower lines. There are two other cases of screwing this clamp. No matter how tight it is, there is also a mess online. The first is that there are dirty things in the cable clip. After the dirty stuff, this cable clamp won't work. Then we're going to remove the dirt inside the clip, clean up, then twist this again to screw. To make the line tighter. There is another situation. It's just that this cable adder is too far inside. After being too close, when you don't usually lift your presser foot, there is strength in pulling the line. Lift the presser foot a little and the cable clip will be loose. This time, to make thick materials, it must be messy. You screw this screw back in. Doesn't work either. In this case, we should loosen the screws for fixing the clamp. Turn the cable clamp out a little bit as a whole. Just cut this screw again. This is the sewing machine. Adjustment method of mismatch between the upper and lower lines. Did you learn it? If you learned, just deduct me in the comment area. How many people can this video teach? Like and follow. Share more sewing knowledge with you. Let's make an appointment and see you next time. How to adjust the teeth to make the machine work well. I'll make it clear today. The fabric does not go away when started. The teeth are too far behind. Turn on the machine and loosen this screw. You can adjust the front and rear teeth. Move your teeth forward. Just don't hit the cutting board. It's easy to get started now. Second, this screw adjusts the height of the teeth. Make a thin material so that the teeth leak 1 millimeter from the cutting board. If you have encountered a bone climbing, you will not go away or can't get up. Just unscrew this screw. This is a tooth next to the eccentric one here. You can adjust the front and rear of the teeth by turning it. Turn it to the front a little higher than the back. It will be very easy to climb the hill guide. For a place with a new cutting board, the teeth and cutting board screw holes are not aligned. It's a little stuck. How to adjust it? First, loosen the two screws of the teeth a little. Put on the cutting board. Put on the front and rear screws of the cutting board. We let go at the same time. And this front and rear screws. Now the whole tooth holder can be adjusted left and right. Tighten one of the screws before and after adjust. Then follow the steps before and after adjusting the height of the teeth. Just readjust the teeth. That's the whole way machines adjust teeth. If you also want to repair the sewing machine yourself, then hurry up and collect it.